Hey everyone, this is the overview video for the beginning of Unit 9. At this point we have finished up Unit 8. If you still need to do activities from Unit 8, feel free to go back and finish those up. The due dates that I post, they're kind of like guidelines. It's kind of like to keep you on pace. So if you have not finished everything, please make sure you go back. Everything is still open and available for you so that you can finish that up. Alright, so let's go in here. So we have Unit 8. Again, this we're already done with, okay? And if you're not, go back, finish those up. So we're going to be starting with Unit 9 on the 23rd. This unit also has a playlist. Again, you're going to use that as a checklist. Make sure you go through and everything is listed out for you. Everything is like numbered and explains where it is. So this is pretty much what my overview videos are, only this is just in document form. Alright, so for day 6, we're going to be starting to talk about elements, compounds, and mixtures. So when I think of elements, I think of the periodic table. And so eventually we'll be talking about the periodic table, but first we need to know what elements are, compounds, and mixtures, and the differences between all of them. So this first thing right here, that is a Google Doc where you are going to take notes. You do not have to turn this in. Okay, that doesn't mean don't do it. Alright, that just means that you're going to take notes and you're going to use those notes in order to do the graded assignment. If you don't do the notes, the graded assignment is going to be very difficult for you. There is a game. Okay, it's not just a PowerPoint that you have to go through or anything like that. So there's a game that you're going to go through, and that's what's going to help you learn about elements, compounds, and mixtures and fill out those notes. They're guided notes. They are kind of getting you to point out the important stuff. Then you're going to go and do the assessment here, the elements, compounds, and mixtures assessment. There are 2 tries again. If you go through and you're like, hey, I'm still missing some stuff, there's still some gaps in my understanding of this stuff, go down here and either watch this video or go through this reading. Okay, those are resources that I'm giving to you to help you with that assessment. Even if you want to do them before you do your first try, that's fine. Again, you have 2 tries. If your first score was not that great, go back and do it again. So I'll take the highest score, okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Message me, email me, all that stuff. And that is day 6.